Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Reshma here, and today in this video I'm going to show you skincare routine using Plum products, so stay tuned. First of all, I will be starting with the scrub. Just pat your face using a wet sponge. Now massage upward and outward circular motion. Just scrub for 2 minutes. Take a wet sponge and just wipe it off. Now the next step is the cleanser. Take a pea-sized amount of cleanser and gently rub into your skin using upward and downward stroke. Don't forget the neck area too. Gently massage for 2 minutes. Just wipe it off with a wet sponge. Take a towel and pat it dry. Now the next step is the toning part. Just take few drops into your palms, rub it and apply on all over your face, including the neck. Wait for 2 minutes until it gets absorbed. Now the next step is a moisturizer, and this 24 hours hydrating moisturizer gets absorbed into your skin and blends evenly. Apply all over your face. Now I'm using this serum which includes grape seed and glow restore face oil, which blends into the skin. Just take some of it and just give a light massage. It gives a natural glow to your skin. Now, the last step is the sunscreen. This sunscreen is amazing, that blends into your skin and leaves no whiteness or patches. So, this was my skincare routine using Plum products. Just try this product out, guys, and do let me know in my comment box. Last but not the least, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon too. Thank you.